Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will explore the process of automatically translating Python code to Java using a Python library called py2java. While automated translation may not always result in perfect Java code, it can serve as a helpful starting point when migrating Python projects to Java. We'll walk through the steps of installation, usage, and provide code examples to illustrate the process. Before we begin, make sure you have the following prerequisites. py2java is a Python library that facilitates the translation of Python code to Java. To install it, you can use the Python package manager pip. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command. Create a Python script that you want to translate into Java. For this tutorial, we'll use a simple Python script as an example. Now that you have your Python code, you can translate it to Java using py2java. Follow these steps. Open the generated Java file, sample_python.java, in a text editor or an integrated development environment, IDE, that supports Java. You will find the translated Java code, which may look something like this. Compile the translated Java code using the Java compiler, javac, and execute it. Here's how you can compile and run the Java code from the command line. You should see the following output. Congratulations! You have successfully translated a simple Python function to Java using py2java. Automated Python to Java translation can be a helpful starting point when migrating code between these two languages. While py2java can assist in the translation process, it's essential to review and refine the generated Java code to ensure correctness and maintainability for your specific use case. ChatGPT.